In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TextNow on iPhone. We will walk through getting the app installed and ready to use on your device. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Look for the blue icon with a white letter A, usually on your home screen. When it opens, you will land on the Main Today tab with featured apps and a bottom bar of icons. Next, tap the Search tab. It is the magnifying glass icon on the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap it, you will see a search bar appear at the top, ready for you to type. Now, in that search bar, type TextNow call plus text unlimited. As you type, suggestions may appear under the bar. When you see TextNow call plus text unlimited in the suggestions, you can tap it, or just finish typing and tap the search button on the keyboard. The results page will load with app icons and names in a list. From there, find the result that says TextNow call plus text unlimited and verify the developer is TextNow, Inc. You will see the developer name right under the app title in smaller gray text. This detail matters because there can be similar-looking apps, and the developer name confirms you are getting the official TextNow app. Once you have confirmed that, tap Get on the right side of the TextNow listing. The Get button is usually blue. As soon as you tap it, the button will change to a loading circle or a progress square, which means the download has started. If your iPhone asks you to authenticate, follow the prompt to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password. On newer phones, you may see a side button and Face ID animation at the top. On older models, you might rest your finger on the home button. If it asks for a password, the keyboard appears so you can type it. Authentication tells the App Store that you approve installing this app on your account. After that, wait for the app to install, then tap Open. While you wait, you will see the TextNow icon on your home screen with a progress circle filling up. When the circle is complete, the Open button appears in the App Store, and the icon on your home screen looks normal. Tapping Open in the store or on the home screen will launch TextNow right away. With TextNow open, sign up for a new TextNow account or log into an existing one. If you are new, tap the option to create an account and follow the on-screen fields, usually email, password, and basic details. If you already use TextNow, choose Login and enter your existing email and password. Once you finish, you will land on the main TextNow screen where you can place calls and send texts using your new number. You have now installed TextNow on your iPhone and signed in so you can start calling and texting right away. If this walkthrough helped you get TextNow set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple iPhone guides.